right, viewers, breaking news coming in. Rahul Gandhi will be speaking tomorrow in the Lok Sabha is what Manikam Tagore, Congress MP, has confirmed. We're now learning that Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, will be speaking at the floor of the House tomorrow on the Operation Sindoor debate. We are, of course, expecting on one hand Gaurav Gogoi to lead the Congress's charge today itself. We're expecting other bigwigs from the Congress, whether it's KC Venugopal or it's Priyanka Gandhi. We're expecting them to speak in the debate. Of course, 16 hours have been allocated in the Lok Sabha for the same. It's a marathon debate that is expected to take place, 9 hours in the Rajya Sabha as well. So we are expecting a fiery face-off to take place as far as the Operation Sindoor debate is concerned. We're expecting Rahul Gandhi to speak tomorrow. This has been confirmed by Manikam Tagore, Congress MP. He's spoken to my colleague Anand Singh and he's highlighted this. He's also stated that a meeting of the INDIA bloc is taking place. The INDIA bloc leaders are currently meeting in the parliament. They're of course strategizing as to what exactly and how exactly and what are the points that they will be taking up in the discussion that is slated to commence very soon. Remember, the discussion will commence at 12 p.m. This is of course in 1.5 hours. We are expecting a fiery face-off. We are expecting Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to commence this discussion. Other bigwigs from the NDA, whether it is Union Home Minister Amit Shah, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, to also speak on this matter. Prime Minister Modi is also expected to intervene. But the breaking news coming in at this point in time is that the Lok Sabha LOP Rahul Gandhi is expected to speak tomorrow. This has been confirmed by Manikam Tagore. He was speaking to my colleague Anand Singh a short while back. He's confirmed it to him. Of course, the opposition is chalking out its strategy in the lower house as we're speaking. Leaders from the INDIA bloc are meeting to basically chalk out a strategy as far as what are the points they'll be putting forth in this debate are concerned. So that is the latest that we're learning at the moment. We will continue to track more news and updates, but as of now, we will keep our eyes peeled for what is transpiring in the parliament.